let's go try it out. I bought this for $5 at Dollar General a couple hours ago, and I feel like it was pretty fair of me to expect it to work, but it didn't. So I'm gonna take it apart and fix it. Best tool for the job. The lack of screws makes it pretty apparent that this wasn't intended to be serviced, but that's not our rules. Be right back. There we go. There's our problems right there. That's all bent up. That came from the store like that. That piece right there is what caused the problem. It looks like it's a little longer than it needs to be, and it's keeping everything kind of messed up. Same thing going on here at the bottom. You can see where it's sort of damaged, where that little bus bar mashed up on it. Nothing's touching. That's good. I'm gonna call the top a win. Let's get to the bottom. I don't like them. Okay, I guess. This is flux paste. Just plumber's flux. This isn't board level stuff, so it doesn't really matter. It ain't pretty, but it's stuck. Number 2. That's a really good sign. That means that sucker ain't going nowhere. Everything's where it's supposed to be. I'm gonna go with the gel just because I don't want this crap getting everywhere. If it's worth gluing, it's worth clamping. Nothing rattles, that's a plus. And because I'm not reckless, checking for continuity. That's good. That's good. Alright, let's go try it out. I could have taken it back, but I needed it tonight, and I'd already thrown my receipt away. Plus, the dollar store closed about an hour ago, so it's just easier for me to fix it and get it done. Thank y'all for watching.